Marisha, it is our sign language interpreter. When medical care turns to alleged neglect, who pays the price? Well, a family in Kiambu County is reeling from the loss of a child after a private hospital failed to act, as a mother endured nearly 4 days of labor pains. Suleiman Yeri reports on the desperate search for answers and accountability.
My girl didn't make it. Alikufa. Kufa akiniangalia.
This is St.Bridget Hospital, Ndumberi, the place where Maureen Karani expected to deliver her bundle of joy. The joy tragically turned to sorrow and mourning.
I wouldn't want to see another woman. Anaingia kwa hiyo gate expectant, anajua atatoka hapa ameshika mtoto wake. Mtoto anaona, anapumua, mtoto ako sawa. Alafu, you end up in my situation. It's very sad.
Maureen's husband, Kennedy Maingi, recounts the harrowing experience they endured while trying to save their baby.
I received a lot of negligence. The students, I was with them. They disappeared. I was left alone with my wife in the room for a whole 17 minutes. Mpaka naambia wife, jishikilie tu kwa hii chuma. Nitafute daktari chini.
According to Maingi, it took nearly 3 hours for the doctor to arrive at St. Bridget. The doctor claimed to be stuck in traffic after leaving duty to go home, a claim Maingi disputes.
A whole nasa ananiambia, sina credit ya kuita daktari mwenye anafaa kuingia. It took the doctor mwenye anafaa kufanya the emergency 2 hours and a half kukuja. Is that right? Nauliza anas questions, ananiklikia na anatembea. Is that right?
Maureen, still reeling from the loss, is calling for justice for their baby, who died in the hands of nurses at the facility. She also expressed concerns for her own health following the ordeal.
I'd like for myself to be normal. Niko na watoto wengine. Mmoja ana turn 2 years next month. Ni mtoto nimezoea kucheza naye, sasa nitarudiaje kucheza naye kama I cannot control my behind, and I don't want to be in diapers. You know, it's very frustrating. Unakuwezi kaa kwa watu hivi.
Efforts to reach the hospital's management have been futile. The family reports being given the runaround by the board while the fetus body remains at the morgue in Kiambu.
All that time, nimeshughulikia mtoini kwa mama. How do I get my kid back? My kid is lying there lifeless. My wife has a scar already. Died amefanywa CS and it was a normal delivery.
This family's heartbreaking ordeal underscores the critical need for transparency and accountability in our healthcare system. As Maureen and Kennedy await justice for their lost child, their case serves as a stark reminder of the devastating consequences when medical negligence is alleged. Suleiman Yeri, KTN.
Now let's head to Kitui County, where the